pastel. And we got some very fancy Kone elevators. We're actually on the 5th floor because this is on a massive hill. Let's go down first. This is the ground floor. Huh. I guess there actually are rooms on this level. That's so weird having to run below the lobby. You can get a view quickly. Let's see. Here's Madison. The other two elevators don't come up here. The door frame's a little wider than it normally is on a Kone. Go down to 6, that's where the lobby is. These are nice KSS 500.